So guys, we're seeing some bullish price action happening now with Bitcoin on the daily charts, and this is good to see, a bit more resurgence of price. However, there's definitely some people that are very worried right now because they think this might be some kind of bull trap. This could be a potential false breakout, and could this lead to further pain in the market? So let's take a look at the daily chart, then we'll go down from in a top-down sense so that we can get a further understanding on what is happening in the market right now. So guys, if you do like this kind of content, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. We do daily updates on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency aspects in the market. So let's take a look on the daily right now. We can see here, by the way, this is the trade that we took in yesterday's video, I believe, or maybe it was a couple of days ago, but you can go back and check if you're interested in taking a look. And the reason for entry on that was based on a breaker structure on the 4 hour. You can see here we broke above that 39.3k region, and then on the 1 hour we had this level of demand at 38.2k and also at 38.6. We went with the safe conservative option and bought at 38.6 with a stop loss below the low at 37.579, but it actually did come a little bit lower, but it's all good. We still made the trade, and we are now very much in profit, and we are moving that to break even now. So even if it does come back on ourselves, we won't lose any money. And we've actually taken profits. Our first take profit zone was the 40.3k region. The next one will be 42.6, and the last one will be about $44,500. So you guys can stay tuned to follow more of that. However, in the meantime, let's take a look if there's anything else we can be wary of or be ready for. So we've actually had a minor break of structure on the daily chart here, and this may lead to us coming back into this as a level of demand before moving higher. So I would not be surprised at all to see price come into 39.3k again or so before moving up to 44.5. And that's why I think it's important to take profits on this trade if you're already in it, because we may see that retracement happen. There is always a chance that we'll retest this kind of trend line once again. You can see we're still in a consolidating pattern here on the kind of a rising wedge pattern on the daily charts, and this will most likely have a huge impact because it's on the daily chart, meaning it's got a lot more impact than it would if it was on the 1 hour chart, for example. So we might see a move up to the end of this level of resistance around that 44.5k level, and this is actually such a very key. This is actually a very, very key level around there of support and resistance. If we do flip it, we can turn that into a buy zone around 46k, and then that will most likely propel us into those further all-time highs. But for now, we are just hopefully going to be bouncing up and down in this level here, and we'll probably come retest. And if we don't, and if we do break down lower than kind of 33k, we do still have that resting level around at 31 to 29k, which will be that all kind of worst case scenario target. So let's take a look at our super trend indicator with our SSL channel. Something to note is that we are very, very close to going bullish in the SSL channel once again on the daily chart, and we are already bullish on the super trend indicator. So if those two go into confluence once again, that is something to note as a potential buy trade. And then on the 4 hour, you can see we're actually turned bullish now by taking out that 200 moving average on the 4 hour, and then on the 1 hour as well, we can see we've had that golden cross occur. We're still waiting for the daily to be something similar, but for now, we do seem to be kind of bearish for now. So guys, that's pretty much all there is on Bitcoin right now. I would say do take a look at your own analysis, kind of mix it in with mine as well. Don't just do your own trades based on what I'm saying. If you do want to trade though, there is a link down in the description to Bybit. That's what we use. You can get up to $4,100 for free, as well as 30% off your trading fees by you meeting all the deposit requirements. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.